Ijana keep every last man yatwani for 4. Ijana keep a national yatwa Jana ceremony. Nafufuni le Komi Bonata, Afufuni le Komo Biafraland, everybody the Ghana by this year, on the Rocho Kahane grapes, Toris Ghana by Maya Budiego, as a man to the cannot plan on your job, can they cook what your lap social media, apparently and the Kalashan and the Jana ceremony.
Is
I want those of you who are hardcore, we are chosen before you are born. There were some people who were chosen before they were born to agitate for Biafra restoration. This is a message to those who, from their mother's womb, they are born. We must be very, very careful.
Good morning, good afternoon, my fellow good people of Biafrans all over the world. I say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It depends on your location and where you are watching this video from. I said God bless all of you and have a very nice week coming up. This video today is going to be a very short one. So I just want to send some message to some people. This message is going to some people, especially sabos in our midst. All the sabos we have in our midst. Of how this message in Nagara. The other day I was watching some people, group of criminals. Listen, you cannot build a house in a false hole. Now this Biafra, unugeji criminality, all this criminality, Biafra, it can't happen. Ogenkere and the gang here, criminal gang only build. You people cannot get Biafra with the criminality unune build up and down. Look at that boy called Sonny Akparawa. I want to ask him a question. That Sonny Akparawa. Other people are sitting at home. Can you tell them Sonny Akparawa? Nde side nke hesokwe tuku no na etuku. Nde side ha ni etuku kwe no. Ka ife ndị a na-egbusisi ndị Igbo. Onwere onye ka anọ na na-egbu side nke ebe Sonny. Call Sonny Akparawa. Onwere onye ka anọ na na-egbu side ya. Ya na nwanne ya nwoke nọ. Ife ha nọ there bi nọ na agwa our people that if you don't contribute, me tọrọ ha ego that your children and your wife that you can't get me ha cause ego me ha. Onye ka Sonny, who is that boy? Call Sonny Akparawa. Who is that boy? How can they do that kind of rubbish? The other day, man no can gang hand on our social media say, we will call for fundraising. Nobody is coming for the fundraising. So, do you think that our people are stupid? Just tell me, do you think that our people are stupid? I'm not going to now. They will just gather money now and give you and your gang with these criminals all built up. So, Kebre gonna bunyunu. Kunu were neri. Okay, we na akugwa hotel. Name me feel likely. Now go bullshit. You let the guy himself. That man and the guy basically nobody who knows she come now. You know? If I have the kind of people, although that let our prime minister very soon now, okay, may have Naya. Very, very soon, okay, may have Naya. Our prime minister will soon be out. All this rubbish you name it. Okay, can you think that your plan have failed? Only if you get your plan have failed, go. Your plan have failed. Go now your criminal. You know, do now a bullshit no to ego. One day for criminal activities in our community. In our different names, different things. So it turns to this struggle as your personal business. It turns to say as a big age would ever ne post now a rubbish into the corner. With criminal gang keep you through. Cause Sonny Akparawa nko. With one year work again na dita nne mo obaba na zone ya na akọ na ebo Holy Ghost. Nka ha no me for na akọ the other day. Na say na you people, Igbo people we get business all over the world. One them madam. I know get nothing to tell you. Paddy, this guy what they yarn that I don't get anything to tell you. wey call himself Holy Ghost. I no go tell you anything. I no go tell you anything. But man no man. Unu name all this bullshit, all this atrocity unu no there na committee. Look at the guy now. On the reason ego nu sotere no oshi. Ego sotere no oshi kunu na eri. Just gwakenem. Ego nu sotere no oshi. Una gang on abisi no the guy by one side, the mirror you one kind video call bullshit in churu gono. That bullshit name. So now one day go okay. I see the Holy Ghost. How about your senior brother Difa? I don't get any word for you guys. But Chere just I don't have no word for you guys. But later we will know. The only thing we hear about what I want you people to know. One ega unumerana. Kunu sabotage this struggle. What I want to assure you that USB have come to stay. That is your business. Biafra have come, they have come. If you don't know one mother as no about choice making I go mine. After Abachos making I go mine. Yankoma Obiago is not Biago. He have come to stay. Danunu ino na putari na social media na emeso omun up. Just unu get so omun ike. You know, happen that no one in that for this, for this purpose. Our leader could here. Anyone in that for this mission. You know, the people you must be choosing before you are born. You must be choosing before you are born for you to able to do this. My considering if I name maybe if more is whiter, we are whiter than white and whiter than snow. You can't be doing all these criminal activities that Ogen Kanadiko are committing on social all over the place. Using one name these people in these people are a bunch of criminals. People are bad getting. And my power COS. Ask me a GC can all there. COS. Our deputy prime minister. GC can all go. GCP can all go. Biko. GCP can all go. I'm not if any now. Why? Cobrupa. Auto Ahos were there. Biko. GC can all go. Na ipo paganazo. I know paganazo. But if I not say GCP can all go. But why if you are born in a why cobrupo to us were there. Not be able to them now. Yoga. My greetings from here. My greetings from here. Asima, may God bless all of you everywhere you are getting this message from. I say may God bless you and prosper you and give you good life. I say God bless all goodwill people of Biafra. I say anywhere you are watching us from, I say God bless you. I want to ask you something. You go to our channel, USB Gospel, subscribe to our channel, subscribe to our open up your notification button anytime we have a new update so that we can update you in this channel. As you are doing that, I pray that God will bless you. Anything you are doing in this life, that God will bless you and prosper you. In the name of Chukwu Kikabia Makaine Ebere Asimu Ise ya dịrịkwa nwoke mma dịrị nwaanyị mma n'ọbịa bife okwu m tata ngwa nnọ ụbọchị ọma ebe onye ọbụla nọ na-eweta ozi asị ekene from ebe a nọ from me from this side is good morning. Thank you and God bless.